Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the conversion of number system among decimal, binary, hexa and octa. Now let's go to find out how to convert decimal number into binary. As I said before in previous video, decimal have the base as 10 because it consists of 0 to 9 numbers. So totally it has 10. So that is the reason why base has 10 for decimal number. And coming to binary, it has base 2 because it has 0 1 numbers. So that is the reason why binary has base as 10. So let's go to find out how to convert decimal to binary. I have a number which is 489 to the base 10, which is decimal number. I want to convert this number into binary. So let's go to know how to convert it as binary. Okay. For the 2 port 0, why I am writing here 2 means because I want to convert into binary code, which is 2. So that is the reason I am writing here 2 as base 2. Okay, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. The highest number under 489 is 256. Then we have to subtract 489 by 256. Then I got the answer as 233. The highest number under 233 is 128. When we subtract 233 by 128, we got the answer 105. The highest number under 105 is 64. When we subtract 105 by 64, we got the answer 41. The highest number under 41 is 32. We got the answer as 9. The highest number under 9 is 8, 1. The highest number under 1 is not available, so it is 0. We need to stop here because the highest number under 1 is not available. So that is the reason why I am stopping here. So when we add up these numbers, 256, 128, 64, 32, 8, 1. 256, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. When we add up these 1, 1 numbers, we got the value as 489. Okay. We don't need these values. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the binary code. This is the method to convert from decimal to binary. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the binary code. We want to convert it into as decimal number. Okay. For that I am writing 2 port 0 into 1 plus here 1. So that is the reason why I am writing here into 1. Okay. 2 power 1 into 0 plus 2 power 2 into 0 plus 2 power 3 into 1 plus 2 power 4 into 0 plus 2 power 5 into 1 plus 2 power 6 into 1 plus 2 power 7 into 1 plus 2 power 8 into 1. When we add up this number, 2 power 0 into 1 means 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128 plus 256. We got the answer as 489. When we add up these numbers, we got the answer 489. This is the method how to convert from binary to decimal. Now I'm going to show you how to convert from decimal to hexadecimal. 489 to the base 10. I want to convert this decimal number into hexadecimal number. Before that, we want to know 0 is correspond to 0, 1 is correspond to 1, 2 is correspond to 2, 3 is correspond to 3, 4 correspond to 4, 5 correspond to 5, 6 correspond to 6, 7 correspond to 7, 8 correspond to 8, 9 correspond to 9. Now 10 correspond to A, 11 correspond to B, 12 correspond to C, 13 correspond to D, 14 correspond to E, 15 correspond to F. Okay. We want to know these 16 numbers. Hexadecimal means 16, 10 plus 6, 6 plus 10, which is the ABCDs we have 6 and numbers we have 10, totally 16. That is the reason why hexadecimal has base. As 16. Now we want to convert this decimal number into hexadecimal number. For that, I am going to divide by 16. 489 divided by 16. We have the quotient as 30 and remainder 9. 30 divided by 16. We have the quotient as 1. Remainder 14. 1 divided by 16. We have the quotient as 0 and remainder 1. We need to stop here because the quotient have 0. 9, 14, 1. This is MSD, most significant digit, and this is LSD, least significant digit. We need to note the number from MSD to LSD, which means bottom to top. Okay, 1, 14, 9. 14 means E. 1, E, 9. To the base 16. 489 to the base 10 to 1, E, 9 to the base 16. This is how to convert from decimal to hexadecimal. Now I'm going to show you how to convert from hexadecimal to decimal. Okay. This is a number which is hexadecimal. I want to convert this number into decimal number. E means 14, as we know here. 1, 14, 9. We have the base 16 for that. 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. Into 9 plus into 14 plus into 1. 16 power 0 means 1. 9 into 1, 16 into 14, 256 into 1. 256 plus 224 plus 9. When we add up these three numbers, we got 489 to the base 10. This is how to convert from hexadecimal to decimal. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to convert from hexadecimal to binary. E means 14. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Why I am writing here as 1, 2, 4, 8? Because one byte consists of 8 bits. One bit means a digit, a number, a place, which is particularly stored in computer. Okay, 9 equals to 8 plus 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. 14 equals to 8 plus 4 plus 2, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 1 we have, this is 0, 0, 0. We now need these three values. As I said before, the before of these numbers we don't have 1 values, so that is the reason why I am skipping here. Okay, now I got the value as binary 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, which is binary number. Now 1e9 to the base 16 to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 to the base 2. This is the method how to convert from hexadecimal to binary. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the binary number. Now we want to convert it as hexadecimal number. We want to divide into 4 parts. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Here 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. We need to add up 1 values. This one, 1, 1, 1, 1 values. Here we got answer 1. Here 8 plus 4 plus 2, 14. Here 8 plus 1, 9. 1, 14, 9. 14 means here E. 1, E, 9 to the base 16. This is how to convert from binary to decimal. We have the number 4, 8, 9 to the base 10. This is the decimal number. We want to convert this number into octa. 489 divided by 8 equals to 61. As coefficient and remainder we have 1 here. 61 divided by 8. 7 as coefficient and remainder we have 5. 7 divided by 8. 0 as coefficient and remainder we have 7. This is the MSD and this is the LSD. Or we can say most significant digit, least significant digit. We want to take a number from bottom to top, which is MSD to LSD. 7, 5, 1 to the base 8. This is the method how to convert from decimal to octa number. 7, 5, 1 to the base 8. I want to divide this number as 7, 5, 1. Now it is 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 square into 1 plus into 5 plus into 7. 1 plus 8 into 5, 40 plus 64 into 7, 4, 48 plus 40 plus 1, 4. When we add up these numbers, 489 to the base 10. This is how to convert from octa to decimal. Okay. Now I want to convert this number into binary. First I want to divide up into 3 parts. Here 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Here 1, 0, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 1 0. 4 plus 2 plus 1 1 1 1 equals to 7. 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is how to convert from octa to binary. 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. I want to divide it into 3. Here 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4. Here 1, here 4 plus 1 5, here 4 plus 2 plus 1 7. 7 5 1 to the base 8. This is how to convert from binary to octadecimal. 1 E9 to the base 16. This is the hexadecimal. Now I want to convert it as octadecimal. E means 14. As I said before, 14 correspond to E. 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8. Here 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. 8 plus 4 plus 2, we have 14. 1 0 0 0. When we have to add up these into 3. 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4. For these 0, we don't have any number. That is the reason why I'm gonna skip here. Here 1, here 4 plus 1 5, here 4 plus 2 plus 1 7, 7 5 1 to the base 8. This is the method how to convert from hexadecimal to octadecimal. Now I want to convert from octa to hexadecimal. As I have a number 751 to the base 8, I want to divide it into 3 parts. This is 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4. Now 1 0 0. 4 plus 1 5 1 0 1 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 7 1 1 1. Now I'm going to divide up into 4. 0 0 0. 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8. This is 1. This is 8. 8 plus 1 9. This is 2 plus 4 plus 8. We have the number 14. This is 1. 14 corresponds to E. Finally we have 1 E9 to the base 16. This is how to convert from octa to hexadecimal.